Today I'm very excited because I found a very nice product on Amazon. This is a 71-in-1 T-handle screwdriver set. Here it shows you like the different ways you can actually use it. It has a T, so it shows you how to use it, how to do the assembly process. With this you can do the rotation device, the forward and reverse switching. It has right here. If you're a handyman or if you do like a lot of work, if you fix a lot of things at home, then you can actually use this. And so let me actually show you, because it has like a very nice case right here. And also you're gonna have like all these different instructions in the back part. So once you open it, you're gonna get like more instructions. This is gonna tell you how to use it. So this is how it looks and all the different parts that this has. Let me show you how this works. So you're gonna get this one, and as you can see, like this has like the little magnets right there. So once you place it, like it sounds that the magnet is working. And right here you can adjust, like if you're gonna rotate to the right or to the left, then you can just adjust it. And then you can just use like anything with these ones. So honestly, I love these two. This is one of my favorites out there in the market. If you're looking for something like that, this could even be a perfect gift for a father, for a handyman, for a friend. It's an amazing tool. Like it has a lot. You can do a lot with this. You can just put the different parts right here. You can use it like this. You can use it like as an extension part. So you can just put this together and it will be longer. So I'm putting this outdoor table together. I'm doing the assembly process of this outdoor table, and usually those outdoor tables comes with a tool like this, but I'm not gonna use it because I already have my little box with all my tools, and this is just easier to use this one, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. Like as you can see, I have that little screws right here, so I'm just gonna find the perfect one that fits that exact same one. And then I just finished the assembly process of this table using my tool, and this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna be using this one, as you can see, with my T. And again, this is super versatile, so you can use it to fix basically anything. So I've been using it to fix things around my house. And honestly, I love this tool. Like it helps me a lot in my daily basis. So the good part is that I can just take it with me everywhere I go. I can take it in my car. It won't take a lot of space. So I love that. And I already finished using all of that, so I'm ready to put everything back right there. So I have all the tools right here.